Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix PC or laptop overheating issue in any Windows PC or laptop. It's work on the all Windows operating system, example as Windows 11, Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. It's work on the all Windows operating system and it fix many issue, example as your PC or graphics card heating issue. It's decrease your fan noise. It's also improve your battery life and many other things. So let's go to our video. First, we go to our task manager and find our problem. I go to the start and type task manager. Click on the task manager. Here is my task manager. And I go to the here processor and go to the here performance. Click on the performance sometime at here, or in some cases it is on the top. In my case, it is in here. If it's something like this, then click at here on 3 line, click on this 3 line and click on the performance. And after that, here is our issue, our speed. It is around the 4 gigahertz and we has to reduce this speed. This is our solution. When we reduce the speed and after speed is reduced, our overheating problem is also solved. So let's go to the video. Minimize it or close it. First, we go to our power options. I go to start and type control panel and click on the control panel. In a control panel, we find many options. Here, find power options. Find power options. If it's something like this categories, then change it to the large icons. And here we find power options. Click on the power options. In a power options, here we find preferred plan. Not goes to the preferred plan. We create a new plan. For us, here we find create a power plan. Click on a create a power plan. Click on create a power plan. Here we find many options. First, we create a power saver, and after that, first we create a low power saver, and then we change our power settings. So I go to here and type low. Type anything that we want, and I type low and click on the power saver. It save our energy and click on the next. Okay, and I click on the create. So our first plan is created. We also create a 3 plan depending on our work. If you have a work with the high performance, then go to the high, very low, then go to the very low. And if you want to power, then go to the high. Or if you're using middle range or working, then go to the middle range. And if high performance, then go to the high performance. So I create a new plan. I click on create a new plan once again. Okay. And I give this time a high. And also I change it to the high performance. It's give a high performance to our work. Click on the next. And click on a create. Click on the create. Our next option is create a new plan, and I create a new plan with the very low. I click on the create a new plan and I rename this plan with the name very low. And I also select power options with the power saver. I select power saver and click on the next. Okay, now I click on the create. After that, go to the very low, click on the very low and click on change plan settings. Click on the change plan settings. And here we find new option, change advanced power settings. On very low, we find change advanced power settings. Click at here. And after that, here we find power options. Scroll down and find processor power management. Processor power management, expand this and also click on the maximum power state. Here we find maximum power state. In my case, I'm using only a PC. If you're using laptop, then we find a battery and also we find our settings or the plug-in power settings or the settings with the battery. Change it on the both. I give the 55%. You can give any settings. I give the 55% power of our CPU. So I click at here 55. You can give 50 or 40 or 70, 80 depending on the your work. I click at here, click on the apply and click on the OK. Now I go to the back. Now here we find 3 options. Show additional plans. You can click on any plan. I click on very low. Now I just go to our taskbar. or the task manager, I go to the task manager, and here we find our speed. Our speed is reduced. I use the very low settings. If you're playing large games or the software that needs a lots of power, then you can change it to the high or the high performance. I go to the here high or the very high performance. I first go to the high, and here we find our speed is changed, and also our CPU gives more power to our PC. If you using very low kind of softwares or low kind of work on your PC, then go to the low or go to the very low. If you're using very low, that means your PC gets minimum power from your CPU, and also your fan and your other things are cool, and your PC is very silent on your PC or laptop. So guys, use these settings depending on your work and reduce the heating issue or the cool your PC or laptop in any Windows PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.